Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Iza binti Abdul Ghani. I'm a student from DPY 36 and today I will present about electrotherapy. The title for today's presentation is Key Benefits of Electrotherapy in Physiotherapy Treatments. What is electrotherapy? Electrotherapy is a gentle and non-invasive modality that works by stimulating nerves and muscle through the surface of the skin. And how does electrotherapy work? First, it sends out electrical impulses that block or interfere with the body's pain signals, leading to reduced pain. It also helps to release endorphins, which is a chemical messenger that naturally decrease pain in the body. It also stimulates muscle tissue to contract to reduce atrophy. It also creates a heating effect within the body which improves circulation and stimulates healing. It is also stimulates cells which reduce inflammation, promote collagen production, and inhibit pain. This is the main type of electrotherapy treatment. The first one is transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation or TENS. It uses of small devices which deliver pulses of electrical stimulation. The goal of this type is to stimulate sensory nerve to achieve pain relief, and it is often used for both nerve pain and chronic pain condition. Number 2 is therapeutic ultrasound. It uses a deep heating effect on different tissues like muscles, ligaments, and tendons to boost circulation and stimulates the healing process. This method uses a transducer instead of electrode pads. It is often used to treat strains, tendonitis, and knee meniscus tears. Number 3 is interferential. It is also known as IFT, and it is used low-frequency electrical stimulation to stimulate muscles, increase blood flow, and reduce pain. Number 4 is electroacupuncture. Acupuncture makes use of thin needles inserted at specific points which target different organs or bodily system, while electroacupuncture also uses the same theory but it uses two needles with an electric current that passes between them. It is often used to treat chemotherapy side effects and acute pain. Number 5 is shockwave therapy. It is an acoustic wave with high energy used to treat condition. It is use of transducer with gel. It is used to help stimulate collagen production, release painful trigger points, and reduce inflammation in the body. This is very useful for musculoskeletal conditions like plantar fasciitis, tennis elbow, and Achilles tendinopathy. And the last one is electrical muscle stimulation or EMS. This type target muscle tissue. This is specialized form of electrotherapy stimulates your motor neurons which cause your muscle to contract. It is often used in cases to treat and prevent muscle atrophy. This is the benefits of electrotherapy treatments. The first benefit is reduce nerve pain. The causes for nerve pain vary. The pain is attributes to your body's nerve sending out electrical impulses that carry pain signals. So, physiotherapy can use a TENS machine to target and reduce nerve pain by interfering with or confusing the pain signals your body transmits. Number 2 is promote healing of musculoskeletal injuries. Some electrotherapy treatment have been shown to effectively treat a variety of musculoskeletal conditions, especially shockwave therapy types. not only reduce pain, but it can help increase blood flow to an injured area, which can stimulate the healing process. Electrotherapy help increase circulation and promote healing in an area, and also treat common sports injuries like sprain and strains. Number 3 is have a non-invasive or drug-free pain control. Electrotherapy offers a safe, non-toxic, and non-addictive way to handle chronic pain. Using electrotherapy for pain relief offers a powerful alternative without any of the concern inherent in using habit-forming drugs to relieve pain. Because in electrotherapy, we never use any medicine or drugs to relieve pain. Number 4 is prevent muscle atrophy. When muscle can be used, this can result in muscle atrophy, which is when a muscle wasted away. So, electrotherapy, specifically electrical muscle stimulation, EMS type, can help prevent atrophy by stimulating muscle to contract. Number 5 is increased circulation for wound repair. Electrotherapy devices can significantly enhance blood flow in the body, which then boosts the body's ability to heal and repair wounds. Healthy circulation is an incredibly important aspect of the healing process. Healthy circulation helps remove toxins from the body to create a healthier body. And the last benefit is have a minimal to no side effects. In electrotherapy, you may experience some slight discomfort during treatment, but electrotherapy is generally a pain-free methodology with no long-lasting side effects. The most common side effects from electrotherapy can often be traced back to the adhesive used in securing the electrode pad to the skin, which can occasionally trigger a rash or allergic reaction on the site. Other than that, it will never cause any long-lasting side effects. That's all I want to share for today. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.